Hello, e-learning pioneers. Welcome to you all. So today we are seeing new topic that is OS model. So first of all, we will import OS. After that, which functionality of OS model we are going to see. So let's quickly introduce it. OS.rename. What it will do? It will rename a file or move file to any other location. After that, os.remove will be used for removing the file. os.path.exist, it will be used to check whether given file path or file exists or not. After that, os.mkdir, it will be used to create a folder. Keep in mind, don't get confused in mkdir or rmdir. So basically mkdir is used to create, rmdir is used to remove empty folder, not the folder which contains some file in it. Understood? After that, let's start with topic. First of all, we will see rename move with OS model. So this syntax os.rename, you have to pass over here source file path and after that destination file path. So what I'm doing, I'm first of all creating file with open as a file and file.write. I'm writing this one line in that. Here we are creating this file to perform some operation on it. Just check it here. We have created new file.txt and whichever string we have passed in it, it is present in it. All right. After that, we will try to rename it. Let's os.rename. You have to pass that file name as it is. After that, which name you want to give it now after renaming. So let's execute. We have executed over here and we have renamed that file. So that will reflect in your folder already. You have to check over there. After that, how to remove that file? You have to simply use os.remove and that file path. So here I'm passing all the file path and after that teaching file, whichever means over here that particular file path. Just wait, which error it is giving. The system cannot find this file specified. I'll try it. Basic file.txt. It should be. Why it is not? Here it is. Just wait, guys. Oh, I understood. Just a minute. I have to rename this folder. Then and then only it will be executed. Understood? Here I have renamed this folder, but here I haven't renamed. So just rename this folder for I guess OS module, right? Let's execute it and now check it. Here it is not present anymore. After that, we will check this file, remove files, how we can remove the file. That's what we checked, right? Oh, sorry, we have already checked it. After that, file exists. So os.file dot exist and file path. And if file exists, it will return as true. If not, it will return as false. So first of all, I will create new file with open new file.txt write. Write mode I'm using over here as a file and file.write. We are simply routing this line over there, creating a file in current working directory. After that, what I will try, I will just share it here. os.path.exist, that new file.txt. If it exists, it will show us true. Now we will remove it and we will try to execute this if exist. So see, this is how if file exists, it will give you true as we seen already, and after removing it will be showing us that file not exist, false, right? After that, creating folder, you have to use os.mkdir and that folder path, or if you don't want to path means pass folder path, then you can pass directly folder name. It will be created at that location, whichever directory you are using. So here I'm using this directory, so it is created this folder over here, new 2. And if you want to create folder at particular location, you must have to pass that location, right? So here, like, you have to pass that path, file path, whichever path you want to, means whichever location you want to create that folder, you have to pass that path, and then only you can create the folder at that particular path. Understood? So here again I will try to, I have passed this, and now what I will do, I will use it over here. So see, os.file path.exist file path, it is showing me false because text2.txt is not exist, right? So what we will do, we will create it. I'm like showing you all because you have to understand which type of errors we get and how we can resolve it. That's why I'm executing all stuff. All right, see, now we will check. Yeah, it is showing us true because we have given this file path over here total. After that we have created it, and then we tried to execute this os.path.exist, then it is exist. Before that, what we tried, we, without creating that folder, we have tried to check whether it is exist or not. That's why it is showing us error. After that, creating folder within folder, how you can create folder within folder. So over here we already passed. So what I will do, I will now pass over here file 3. All right, and see. If os.path.exist file path, if this file exists, print folder exists. I said file exists, not file folder exists. Else print folder does not exist, it is created now. Then you have to create that os.mkdir file path, and you can check it over here. We have created it in this if else condition. After that, we will try to delete that folder using os.rmdir. So we will delete the same folder, right? The same. Okay, what I will do, I will create a folder over here. os.mkdir, which folder I want, test 53. Let's create and let's delete it. First of all, I will again create, so you can able to see over here. See, this is new folder created. This is .txt. Just ignore it. This is new folder. Then we are executing os.rmdir. Then it is deleted. See, it is not present over here anymore. Likewise, if you want to create one folder, this is how you can create. This is our last step. And if you want to delete same folder, this is how you can delete. Hello all present. Just refresh your folder. Got it? Hope you understood. In next video, we will see 2 remaining modules that are also important. Try to practice by yourself, and some 2-3 functions remain in this OS module. I will cover it in shorts build. Okay guys, See you soon. Keep learning, keep upgrading yourself. Bye bye. See you soon. Bye.